and today we're going to be doing hit step together. We're going to start off with a nice warm-up. We'll have a bit of music for that, and then we're going to go into the main session. Be mindful if you do have any injuries and any of the exercises that we do today aggravates them, then either leave that exercise out or you can change it for something that you know that doesn't cause you any aggravation. Okay, so I've got my water there, make sure you have yours. We have a step here, okay? If you don't have a step at home, okay, you can use something like a mat, okay? As long as it's kind of rectangular shape, okay? It's just so you've got the shape of it and you can do it that way at home instead of having the step, okay? Let's get into the nice warm up, and I hope you're all doing well on this nice sunny day, and let's get those endorphins flowing. Are you ready? Okay, so we're going to start marching on the spot. Arms nice and loose, swinging freely. Side step, let's go. Well done. Perfect. To the front. Well done. Perfect. Step it up, let's go. Well done. Landing the heels. Changing foot, let's go. Nice work. Use the arms now. Box step, let's go. Bring it up. Well done. Step curl, bring it up. And down. Nice work. Knee up, let's go. Lift it up. Perfect. Swing to the side, let's go. Bring it up. Well done. Bring it up for 3. 1, 2, 3. To the middle. To the side, let's go. 1, 2, 3. To the middle. Again. 1, 2, 3. To the center. Swinging those arms. Last one for 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, step curl. 1, 2, 3, I'm marching. Bring it up and down. Well done. Rolling those shoulders. And back, let's go. Toe taps. Well done. Use the arms. Perfect. And marching. Bring the knees up and out. Well done. Well done, guys, and jogging. Perfect. Hold it there. Okay, guys, take a quick drink, and I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing in this session today. Fantastic. Right, okay, so what we're going to be doing today is the exercise is going to be 30 seconds long, and you're going to get a 10-second rest in between each exercise. I'm going to explain beforehand what the exercises are, and then we're going to get into them. Okay, I'm going to give you a few different options where we can to make the exercise either more intense or to bring it down a bit, depending on how you're feeling yourself today. If you want to have music playing at home, then go and get it ready now. I'm going to have the timer on. We're not able to play music today, so if you want your own music, then please go for it. Find something that you like, and everyone's happy. Okay, so let's get this. First exercise then, guys, okay, is just step up. Okay, knees nice and high. Up to you where you have your arms, okay? You can either, okay, exercise number one, you can either just nice and simply stepping up, okay? If you're feeling energetic, bring the knees up, drive the knees up. Okay, if you're feeling super Olympic today, you can add a little jump and bring the arms into it as well, okay? So completely up to you. I'm going to do the one with the jump with the arms, but you choose what works better for you today. Are we ready? Okay, let's do it.
Get ready.
Let's get ready to rock and roll. Let's go. Changing legs each time. Well done. Remember, if you just want to do a step up with the knee, then go for it. If you just want to step up, then that's perfect as well, okay? Because I'm feeling particularly Olympic today, I'm going to go for the harder option. And hold it there. Okay guys, so this time we're going to go for side touches. So I'm going to go down and down, okay? Are we ready? Let's go. Down and down. Okay, if you just want to step over without the side squat, then you do what works best for you. Okay, if you're feeling particularly Olympic, we can do it with the jump. Fabulous. Get some power in there. Well done. If you need to pause this video at any time, okay, then please do so if you need a longer rest. Okay, next one, knee to elbow. We're bringing it up, okay? Are we ready? Let's go. Okay, if you just want to do it without the arms, if you want to add the arms in, then do it. Bringing it up. 30 seconds, fantastic. Well done. Perfect. Keep it going. Almost there. 5 seconds. Okay, next time, changing legs. We're on the opposite leg. You've got 10 seconds recovery now. Try and keep moving, okay? Are we ready? Let's go. Okay, remember, if you want to do it without the arms, then completely up to you, okay? Do what works best for yourself. If you want to do it with a jump, then you can do that as well, okay? Driving it up, bringing those arms down if you're using the arms, shoulders back, head up, don't forget to breathe. Almost there.
Rest.
Okay guys, next one. I'm going to bring it down and down. Option 1, option 2.
Work.
Okay, so either like so, or, okay, choose what works best for you. If you want to change it any time, you can. Well done. Okay, if you're jumping, remember to land softly Well done.
Rest.
Next one, toe tap side to side. Okay, so we can either option 1 or option 2. Let's go. Using the arms. Well done. Tapping those toes. Okay, remember, if you want to do it like so. Brilliant. Side to side. Keep going. Well done. Okay, next one, twist jumps. So, okay, let's go. So you can, if you want, like so, or well done. Twist in that waist. Nicely done. Well done, guys. Woo, don't fall off. Oh, you almost did. Okay, next one. Grapevine. Okay, so we're going to go either like so or with a jump. Well done. Okay, side to side. Okay, or you can even like so.
Rest.
Okay, so next one, we're coming down on the ground. Okay, core nice and tight, bringing it in. Well done. Okay, keeping that core nice and tight. Sucking the belly button in towards the spine, like so. Well done. Nice deep breaths. Almost there. 10 seconds to go. Really pulling that knee in, core tight. Hold it there. Okay, 10 seconds. Next one, okay, we're going to go back to sit-ups now, okay? So we're on, and we're bringing it in and out. Okay, so from the side, holding on to the sides, like so. Well done. Well done. If you want, okay, you can keep the feet on the ground, bringing it in and out. Next one, onto the floor. In fact, we get now a whole minute rest. So grab yourself a drink if you need one. And get ready, we're going to do that one all over again. Okay, so now we know what we're doing with each exercise. We're really going to push it this time, okay? Remember the different options, okay? And you can change them at any time. Okay, guys, halfway through the rest now, okay? If you want to have a quick stretch before you go into it again, bringing it down, okay? The first one we're going to start with is the knee drives, okay? So either simple step ups, okay? Or you can do like so, or you can do with a jump. Are we ready? Let's go. Well done. Really driving those knees up. Perfect. Let's get that heart rate right up. Get that blood pumping. Fantastic. It's really good because you get the 30 seconds of work and then you get that nice 10 seconds rest. Okay guys, so now this time it's side touches crossover. Okay, so what we're going to do is touch if you want. If not, we're going side, like so, okay? I'm gonna do like so, okay? Touching, or you can step over. Changing at any time, completely up to you. Well done. Okay, this time we're going to go knee to right elbow, okay? So we're going to bring it up. Are we ready? Let's go. One side, driving it in. If you want to add a jump, then go for it. Well done. It's really good for the core, this one. Keeping your balance. Fantastic. 5 seconds. Keep going. 10 seconds, guys. We're moving on to the next exercise. Same, but on the opposite side. Try and keep moving, okay? Let's do it. Come on. Okay, again, if you want to just step up or even without the arms, okay, that's up to you. Do what works best for yourself. Either both arms or you can just do one, okay? Different options there for you to choose. Land with a soft knee, okay? Keep the knee on the step, always soft. And hold it there. Okay guys, so next one, Sumo Pulse. So we're going either like so or like this. Okay, like this. Or like this. Well done. Okay, again, landing with soft knees. Never lock them out. Well done. And rest. Well done, guys. Toe tap side to side, okay, either. Or, okay. Are we ready? Let's go. Using those arms if you need to. Driving it. Perfect. Get that heart rate right up. Jumping in. Side to side. Well done. Perfect. Okay, next one. Doing grapevine, okay? Hold down, so. Like so. Well done. Travelling, okay? Last time it was over the other opposite side. This time we're travelling further. If you want to lift the arms up, make the exercise a bit more difficult, then it's up to you. Again. Well done.
Rest.
Okay, guys. Last time it was step-ins. Okay, this time we're going to go for mountain climbers, but you have the option to do the step-ins. Okay, bringing it down. So either each leg to opposite elbow or mountain climbers. You choose what you want to do and go for it. Come on. Up Everest, let's go. Only 30 seconds. Come on, guys. Dig deep. Keep the core nice and tight. Driving it in. Keep it going. Well done. And breathe. Okay, guys, onto the step. For the sit-ups, either feet on the ground or you can do it with the feet off, okay? Find what works best for you and go for it. Well done. Perfect. Okay, again, if you want to keep the feet on the ground, okay? Still good, still working your abs. Okay, I'll do it from this side. Well done.
Rest.
And hold it there. Okay guys, next one we're going to go into glute raises. Okay, we didn't do these ones last time. So on here, feet down, we're bringing it up and down. Up and down. Well done. Perfect. Okay, so this is a new one. We didn't do this on the last one. Squeezing the glutes. Okay, if you want to make this exercise more difficult, you can do it one leg, changing legs after 15 seconds, and rest. Okay guys, we've got 1 minute recovery. We're going to go through that round once more, and then we're going to have a nice stretch, and that's it, half an hour gone, just like that. Okay, so remember, lots of water during, lots of water afterwards as well, okay? Important to keep yourself hydrated. You don't want to get dehydrated. Okay guys, so back to the step up with the knee drive. Okay, either like so, or you can do it with the jump and the arms. Or just with the jump. 15 seconds now, we're going to go into it. Okay guys, try and keep moving now, okay? You can have a nice good rest after we're done. Okay, just swinging those arms, moving those legs. Are we ready? Let's go. Reach up to the sky. All the way up. Nice work. Well done. Come on, knee up. Nicely done. Stay with it now. Well done. Okay.
Rest.
Next one. Like so, or we can.
Work.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Well done. Show you from this side. Well done. Getting nice and low. Perfect. Well done. Almost there. Okay, land those heels. Land with soft knees.
Rest.
Alrighty, so next one, knee to elbow, like so. Let's go. On one side, driving it up. Ooh. Well done. Okay, if you want to just bring it up without the jump, without the arms, then you go for it. I'm going to have to jump in my arms. Well done. Really driving it up. Awesome. Hold it there. Okay, changing legs. Keep marching, keep moving, guys. Won't be long and it'll all be over. You're doing fab. Let's go, come on. Reaching, let's go. Dig deep. Well done. Like I said, really good for the core, this one. Which is really important for our balance. Fantastic. Okay, keep moving, guys. Okay, so next one, Sumo Pulse. Either like so,
Work.
or if you're feeling Olympic, like so. Landing with soft knees. Praying for mercy. Well done. Almost there. 5 seconds, stay with it. Well done, guys. Okay, toe taps. Love a bit of toe taps, remember? Either like so or with a jump. Let's go. Okay, with or without arms. Find what works best for you. Just tapping the toes onto the step. Tap, tap, tapping away. Awesome. Keep going. Okay, guys. Twist jumps. Okay, we missed these out on the last round. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Well done. Okay, keep plugging away. Almost done. Twisting that waist.
Rest.
And hold it there. Okay, guys. The good old favourite grapevine. Okay, you can either do it over the side or you can do it lengthways. If you want to do it with knee up, you can. If you just want to step it. Okay, if you want to add the arms or a step curl, okay, make the exercise your own. Well done. Ooh. Nice work.
Rest.
And hold it there. Okay, guys, mountain climbers or step-ins, we're almost there now. Okay, either bringing it in, core nice and tight, or we can climb Everest together. It's up to you. Change it any time. Okay, speed it up, slow it down, just make it work for yourself. Doing brilliant. The end is in sight now, we're almost at the top of Everest. Get a nice cup of tea and get amazing views. Remember, keep that core nice and tight. Belly button in towards the spine.
Rest.
And hold it there. Okay, guys, we're going to go on to the glute raises now. On our backs, feet on the step, and pushing it up and squeezing. Again, option to make it a little bit more difficult. You can do one leg, after 10 seconds, 15 seconds, change for the opposite leg. I'm going to stay with both legs on today, but that doesn't mean you guys have to. Squeezing those glutes. Well done.
Rest.
And hold it there, guys. Okay, so that is the main session complete. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, guys, before we get into the stretching, which is always really important, okay? Cool down stretching is just as important as the warm-up, okay? What we want to do is prevent injuries at all costs, okay? So have a drink and we'll get nice and cool down and have a lovely stretch. I hope you enjoyed that today. Something a bit different to do, isn't it? To break the day up. Okay, guys, we're just going to be marching. Let that heart rate come down, okay? Because we've really raised that heart rate with hit step. Okay. If you want to do something similar yourself at home, okay? You can time 30 seconds, choose an exercise, 10 seconds off, and you can make your own little circuit. It's great if you've got kids as well to get them involved. You come up, choose an exercise each. It can be star jumps, it could be lunges, it could be anything you want really. Okay, we're bringing the arms down now, slowing down the marching. Okay, we're going to bring it out, bring it in, and out. And then last one. Hold it there. Okay guys, we're going to reach right up to the sky now. Really stretching. Okay, stretch all those muscles, feels really good. Okay, and bring it down. Okay, if you want to hold on to anything, okay, if you've got a chair or you want to hold on to a wall, I'm going to use the wall, okay, we're going to bring the foot up, foot to the bottom, we're going to push the hips forwards, and we're going to keep the knees together. Okay, shoulders back. Perfect. Okay, hold that for about 10 seconds. Now we're going to change, okay, change legs. Again, keeping the knees together, pushing that pelvis forwards. Okay, hold for 10 seconds and release. Okay, we're going to step the right leg forwards, pushing the bottom out like so. Okay, leaning on the knee that's bent, not on the knee that's straight, okay? Always keep a slight bend in the knee, never lock it out. Okay, what we're going to do now is lift the toe, and if you can reach down and touch, if not, don't worry, as long as you can feel the stretch, that's perfect. Okay, sit back more into the bottom to increase the stretch, and hold it there. Now we're going to change legs. Okay, so pushing the leg out, bottom towards the opposite end of the room, hands on the bent knee, opposite knee, soft, never lock down. Okay, bringing the toes up and touching those toes if you can. Fabulous. Hold it there for a second and release. Okay guys, feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and we're going to reach down. If you can, tucking the head in, opposite arm behind you. Holding it there. Bring it back up, nice and controlled, and change sides. Well done. Okay, bring it to the centre. If you can reach the floor, fantastic. If not, just go down again to where you can feel the stretch. Okay, the more you stretch, over time you'll become more flexible. So if you want to be able to reach the ground, then practice every day and eventually you'll get there nice and slowly. Bringing it up. Okay, what we're going to do now, bring it over to the side. Fantastic. Okay, stretching the waist. Change sides. Back to the centre. Okay, pushing those arms forwards. And hold it there. We're going to take a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. We're going to do that 3 times, and then we're going to hold it there. Let's go. And again. One last time. Well done everyone. Remember, drink lots of water afterwards. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you again soon.